In a dim studio, AI voices embody the spirit of legendary innovators who turned bold ideas into world-changing actions. They remind us that curiosity fuels progress, risk invites growth, and persistence outlasts doubt when vision meets disciplined work. From humble beginnings to monumental impact, each line reframes fear as fuel and failure as a stepping stone. Viewers are invited to extract one core idea, apply it today, and watch ordinary effort bloom into extraordinary outcomes. This cinematic relay asks what we would build if we stopped waiting for permission and began shaping our future.